What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can use AI to generate images. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to be at your Google. And in the Google, you simply have to search for Microsoft Copilot. Now, searching for Microsoft Copilot will bring up this website. Just go to copilot.microsoft.com. Now, this is the website. In order to create AI images, you just have to give it a command. Suppose you want to create an image of like a 3D world. So I'm just going to search for create me an image of a 3D world. So I'm just going to search for that. And there you go. I'm just going to accept the terms and then it will take some time to obviously create it. As you can see, these are some commands as well, which you can add it after watching these things. However, Microsoft Copilot gives you a lot of features as well. Once your images are generated, you will be able to redesign the styles as well. As you can see, it just created me that. Now, if you want to change the style, just click on the image. You will be able to see something like that. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.